If you're looking to manage your IT help desk with GoTo Resolve, you've probably heard that it offers powerful tools for remote support, ticketing, and more. But is it the right choice for your team? In this video, we'll dive into how GoTo Resolve works for managing your IT help desk, what it does well, and where it might fall short. Stick around until the end because we've got an exclusive deal and some amazing alternatives to GoTo Resolve that might work even better for your business needs. So first things first, GoTo Resolve is a remote IT support software that combines ticket management, remote troubleshooting, and device monitoring all in one place. You can provide support directly from the ticket interface, which is convenient, but how well does it really handle scaling for larger teams? In practice, while the ticketing system is robust and lets you track issues with great detail, it can get a little clunky when handling multiple simultaneous requests. The interface could definitely use some improvement here, especially when you're managing a large volume of tickets. Next thing, let's talk about remote support. GoTo Resolve lets you troubleshoot devices remotely, which sounds great, but its remote access tool can sometimes be a bit slow compared to competitors. While it gets the job done, it's not as seamless or as quick as some of the higher-end tools out there, which could be a problem if you're looking to minimize downtime. The third thing to consider is the reporting and analytics GoTo Resolve offers. It's fairly basic, and while it does give you some insights into ticket resolution times and customer satisfaction, it lacks the depth and customization that some other platforms provide. You can't really build detailed reports with the level of flexibility that some larger IT departments might need. Now, the fourth thing's pricing. GoTo Resolve's pricing is competitive, but when you start scaling up, the costs can add up quickly, especially if you need to include additional features or add more team members. For small teams, it might be a good value, but larger teams or organizations with more complex needs might find that they're paying for more than they need, or that other solutions offer more features for a similar price. And here's where things get really interesting. While GoTo Resolve is a solid option for small to mid-sized teams, there are a couple of alternatives that might be better for managing your IT help desk, depending on what you're looking for. These competitors offer similar features, but with improved speed, more advanced reporting, and even more affordable pricing for larger teams. Before we get into those alternatives, I want to mention that we've got an exclusive deal for GoTo Resolve, including an extended free trial with all the features, so you can test it for yourself before making a decision. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution that scales well, provides faster remote support, and offers more detailed analytics, you might want to check out our top recommendations. These alternatives also come with free trials, and through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, whether you decide to go with GoTo Resolve or explore some of the alternatives, there's a solution out there that can help you manage your IT help desk more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab the best deal through our link to get started with the best free trial options.